Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Firefox Browser on your DOOGE V20. So in order to do this, let's open our Google Play Store. From here, begin a search for an app and enter Firefox. Hit the search button, select this app and install it. After that process is finished, let's open our app, and here we can customize it. So we can choose a theme for the app, pick your tool for placement, change always on privacy settings, sign up to synchronize other devices that are using the same browser, and read this privacy notice. At the end there will be start browsing, and here our browser works perfectly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.